What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Well, today, man, we actually came out here to St. Louis Pass, man. And if you ain't never been out to St. Louis Pass, man, y'all need to come out. It's out here in Galveston, and it is awesome, man. The sand here is amazing, and they got some dunes and shit. And you gotta if you come out, make sure you have a 4x4 though, because the sand is deep, man. But you might be able to make it without one, but I wouldn't try it. But anyway, so we're out here, man, doing a little fishing. Well, I'm pretty sure you can't see all that, but doing a little fishing out here, and we've caught a little bit already, man. We've been out here since about, what time we get here?
No, we got here at
7? About 7 o'clock. We got here about 7 this morning, man. We left the house about 5, and had to make a couple pit stops, but we got here about 7 and started fishing, man. And we've caught some trout and some other fish, man. I don't even know what it was, but we're having a good time, man. You know, we got the wife and her friends, our friends, and then we got this lady over here. So we're having a good time, man. So like I said, if y'all ever get a chance to come out, man, y'all come on out. I'm gonna see if I can get some video of me actually trying to catch something and we'll see what happens. But y'all stay tuned, man. Well, kinfolk, that's it, man. We ended up hanging out, doing some more fishing. I don't know if y'all can hear me very good because of the wind, but we had a great time, man. It was a blast. So we're gonna get on out of here now and go back to the house and relax. So I appreciate y'all coming along, and until next time, man, much love, much respect. Knuckles out.